We're here at Hillman Hall at Washington University in St. Louis. Here we have a Kone elevator. Go to 1. G. So now on to the other elevators. Here's the second elevator. It's also a Kone.
Going down.
Looks like B is locked, so we'll go to 3.
Third floor. Going down. Garden level.
You can get this like going up.
Going up.
And just right over here is the third elevator. So this one just doesn't go to the basement. So I'll go to 3.
Third floor. Going down. Garden level. Going up.
Another very nice Kone. So yeah, those are the 3 elevators here at Hillman Hall. You can see there's the first one, there's the second one, and here's the third one. So that's it.